welcome to lesson 1.1 of Go High Level Success Masterclass. And what you are seeing right now in my screen is the actual Go High Level inside. So for the first lesson of this masterclass, kilalanin muna natin kung ano si Go High Level. And the very simple definition of Go High Level is it is an all-in-one marketing automation platform. So ibig sabihin, instead na si client or sa business owner gumamit ng napakaraming marketing tools just to execute email, social media, follow-ups, funnel building, and all those marketing stuffs, andito na siya lahat sa loob ng Go High Level. Like for example, conversation. So instead na bumili or gumamit ng ibang conversation tool kung saan pwedeng mag-execute ng email, SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, pwede na siyang gawin dito inside of Go High Level. Ayan, then meron calendars na rin, pwedeng i-integrate ito si calendar, si contacts, pwedeng maglagay ng mga contacts dito, opportunities to track kung ano na nangyayari sa leads, payments. Go High Level can also execute and receive payments na ngayon. Marketing, dito yung pwede mag-schedule ng social media postings, mag-send ng emails, may brand boards na rin, may ad manager na rin. Ayan, automation, dito yung lahat ng automation sa nangyayari. So, if you can still remember when you signed up or when you filled out the form dito sa masterclass, naka-receive agad kayo ng email. So, dito yon sa may automation. And then sa sites naman, ito yung pwede kang gumawa ng funnels or ng landing pages, ng websites. Pwede rin gumawa ng stores, mag-execute ng webinars, blogs, WordPress, gumawa ng forms, gumawa ng surveys. So again, chat widget, QR codes. So as what I've said earlier, halos andito na lahat ng kailangan ng isang business owner. That's the reason why most of the businesses are switching or love using Go High Level. Because again, almost all their needs ay andito na lahat. That means they can save money kasi hindi nila kailangan ng napakaraming marketing tools. All they have to do is just to pay for Go High Level and then they can already execute their marketing strategies na. And then they don't need to have a lot of logins kasi isang login lang, isang Go High Level login credentials lang. And then, andito na lahat. So, di ba, napakaraming benefits ang binibigay ni Go High Level sa mga business owners. And again, that's the very reason why most of the businesses switch to using Go High Level because of that benefit. And that is also beneficial to you kasi ibig sabihin, mas maraming clients na ang naghahanap or maghahanap pa ng mga VAs na makakatulong sa kanila to handle and to execute everything that they need using Go High Level. So I think yun lang. Again, in simple term, Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing automation platform. Ibig sabihin, andito na lahat halos ng mga marketing tools na kailangan ng isang business owner. That's it, and see you on the next one.